Yo, what's up, guys? Have not been on in a while. Jeez. Just to give you guys a recap, try to go long on SanDisk. That did not play out in my favor. I think I lost around like $4,000 on that. Try to go long on it. It just didn't work out well. So, trying to recoup those losses as best as I can now. The broader markets have obviously been negative for the most part. SanDisk being a highly volatile. Look at that. There's definitely trade opportunity there, though. About 2%, two separate times. 1, 2-ish, 3-ish. My other screen here, I'm looking at SQQQ since the tech market is down. Although I could avoid it altogether, really. Oh, I don't even know what that is, honestly. Oats futures. Who would have thought? Could look at the video on the other side. Like, look at that price action. Absolutely crazy. A 4% spread. Looks like it's fighting to stay positive, but I almost feel like this would be the safer play. Is that gonna pass that EMA or SMA? There we go. Book above. Pop right back down. Could go a little smaller. Interesting. Buying and selling market value, like market price, terrible. I feel like I've never bought it at a decent price. SQQ should be doing good. Trying to make a play here on SQQ. Looks like it is working out in my favor for the most part. Is it going to break? There's a lot of price action down. That's why I'm trying to get in on it. Alrighty. I have no doubt it's still going to go up. Probably basically almost at 47. Yeah, sounds about right. I could get in trying to make it go to well, waiting, biding my time, but as of right now, again, don't want to get greedy. Just want to be somewhat successful for the day. That would be preferred. I had some success previously. I actually want to see something real quick. Let me see something here. Let's see. Oh, SQQ did not go down. We're up to 47. Maybe price action might move right here in this little bubble. Not even a percent, but right now, like I told y'all, I'm not trying to consolidating. Market's probably still going to try to figure out where it wants to go. Which still seems like it's going down for the day. Nasdaq is down 0.13%. S&P, Dow 30, Nasdaq's all down for the day. Still waiting on this QQ to really do something over here. SanDisk is consolidating. Trying to short here. It is not playing out in my favor. Hold on, let me show you. Again, SanDisk is highly volatile these past few days. I don't know what's going on with it. Its financial seems to be positive for the most part. Supposedly competition from China. Broader market sell-off for AI invested companies. It's a work in progress out here with this one, man. Again, like I told you, I think I lost like $4,000 on this. At some point, I bought it in at like 1,500, something like that. It was ridiculous. Just kept watching it go down. I got up to like 12, 13 shares for what I'm trading with, overweight. So it was just terrible. A bad experience overall. But my intentions weren't to day trade it, just so I'm being clear on that. I was trying to go long on it just because of, at the time, it was down like 50% from its all time high. So it just seemed like a bargain, basically. But I also didn't pay attention to the broader markets, so, or the market itself for that. So when it went down, I still had hope, kept trying to buy in, but it just never turned out in my favor. And at one point, it bottomed out at like 1022 just yesterday or something like that, or this week. Seems like it's trying to bottom out. Since it seems a bit frisky, I'll probably try to get out at some point just to minimize my losses. That way I'm not getting in whenever it decides to flip out on me. Sheesh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I never shorted before in my life. Sheesh. That's solid stuff. Solid stuff. SQQ broke above 47. Honestly. Its uptrend seems to be pretty consistent. Fairly consistent, actually. Let's see what SanDisk wants to do. I don't think SanDisk wants to break below 1,000. Boss, if it's been going down how it's been, like there's no telling where it can go. Cause to come down from whatever it was is absolutely ridiculous. Its high was of 2,500. Like, and it's still up for the year. Crazy, right? I think the 52-week range was at 40. That's insane. It's still going. It's bounced off of this twice. Around 125-ish, 26-ish. SQQ is still up. Jeez. SQQ is still up. Sheesh. I took a couple of long positions. Apple, Salesforce, and Intuit. I'm going long on those. Especially Intuit. Such a bargain deal. think anything's holding SQQ back. Market might have possibly bottomed out, but I'm gonna continue shorting SanDisk. Because man, no matter what I do today, I will not recoup what I have lost from SanDisk. But if I'm able to build it back slowly but surely, that's okay. I can work with that. And I'm not. It sucks, don't get me wrong, but a lot of things could be worse. It's almost like SanDisk is having the opposite trajectory of SQQQ, which is just surprising to be honest, but I don't necessarily. I don't know if SanDisk would even be in QQQ in general, so doesn't mean much. The long positions that I'm in, I'm keeping them short or small per se. Now, if it were to break above that, get out of it as quickly as possible. Wouldn't be the first time a false reversal got on me. Or didn't. You know? So I try to keep an open mind with these things. Yep, that's exactly what it did. Oh, I'm about to. I didn't even know I'm about to. S&Q is still going down, so we'll hold off and see what SanDisk wants to do. Pop up. That's what it wants to do. He's having a hard time right there. Definitely broke above 1060. It's nice. SQQ is still going down. There we go. There we go. There we go. Pushing up. Oh, nice breakout. $60.81. I can get behind that. Downtrend. Flipped on me. definitely flipped on me. I'm gonna grab some more coffee. Go up there and get into something else. I believe TQQ will go down a little bit more. SanDisk gets right at the EMA. Does it break below? Let it move. Let it move. And do what it wants to do. If it follows the recent pattern, it'll get down to maybe 1030. Maybe. We hope, right? Patterns tend to repeat. They don't always have to. A wise man once said. A wise man once told me. A wise man once told me. Nope. Doing something crazy right now. Nah, it should be going down. SQQ is pushing up. For some reason, it's like doing the inverse of SQQQ. So I guess I'll take the dub. You know what I mean? I'll absolutely take the dub. Absolutely take the dub. Like I said, 1020. But 1030 would also be nice. Maybe I cut my profits at 1020. 1030, we're at it. 1029, we're at it. There we go. SQQ still going up. 1028. There we go. SQQ still teetering, 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 teetering. Being patient never hurt. Being patient never hurt. No, SQQ still going up. I can be patient. I can be patient. SQQ is still going up. Nah, SQQ is pushing. So I'm gonna wait. There we go. There we go. SQQ is reaching higher highs. For some reason, it's inverse, and I don't know how to explain it to you. Well, actually, this is right around the area, though. All right, we're back greens for the day. DQ kicked my butt so far. But then again, why would I trade it if hasn't necessarily done what I wanted it to do? And this is going up, so it looks like we picked the right time to get out of it. NASDAQ is still going down. So SQQ might be stagnant. I've never seen SQQ and TQQ's price so close together. Right now it's about $12 difference, give or take. I've never seen that. Never, ever, ever in my life. And I'm just attempting to cut down on the losses for TQQ. That is my only goal with it, really. Don't care about too much else with it, just to cut down on my losses. So hopefully something good comes out of it. We'll see. But just to minimize, honestly, man. And it might not. I might not, you know. But I'd at least like to try. Especially with a ticker that is just so volatile like this one. It doesn't hurt. It does not hurt to try, my friend. Try, try, try. Nasdaq is still holding around that negative 0.86% for the day. So gotta wait and see where that wants to go. Obviously, if it flips, much better for myself. Much better for me. Could it break the support and do some type of flip of the doos on me? Absolutely. Do I think it's going to do that? Probably not, because it's fighting to stay above. It's fighting to even break above the EMA line repeatedly. So I don't have high hopes. And QQ is consolidating right around where this is. So again, just to minimize losses. It's gonna go down. I'm just gonna buy some more. I believe it wants to break above 60 and do like a small little push. This is my opinion, though, which might actually be coming true. Or not. Or not. Or not. Break my heart for what breaks you. Everything I am for what can live for. And I will come out into eternity. I was waiting for a short pump up, but that does not seem like it's gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah, it's not happening. Nah, never mind. Let me get out of this mess. Did a flipperoos on me. Whoa, chill, bro. Sheesh. Dang, I think Sandus might actually go below $1,000. Dude, what the heck? Wait.
Hugh, Your Grace. The Smiths are all proud to support Your Grace against Rhaenyra. That, but I and costs have grown. A lone Scorpion takes weeks to build. To put it simply, we are struggling. If we could but have the Crown's coin before we started work, it would bring great relief. Not just to me, but to all the Smiths serving your cause.
You shall be paid, and paid well. My army cannot win a war without your weapons. You should continue their making. Our victory depends on the efforts of the small folk.
Why did Gawain recognize the...
Come on, man. This is the complete flipperoos that I would like to avoid, but for some reason, I never escape them. Have to do a better job at identifying them, but for now, it is what it is. Hopefully, I'll keep training throughout the day, but I have something to do. I'm going to post this anyways. Still green for the day, albeit because of this, but we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully it turns into something good. If not, we live and we learn, and we go from there.